Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making pasta biondo. Some people they cook because cook too much for this side. So I'm using this star pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice, okay? And I'm making two type, plain one for my kids and the one with vegetable for myself. So this video is like two in one video. I'm adding oil because it's forming. I know I make it poor for body. So you have to cook your pasta separately, okay? And keep aside. Now it's time for us to make our biondo. Though biondo have its own seasoning, but this is what I have. So I was making use of what I have. So I just add that to the water, allow the water to boil, and add your cook pasta. It's so easy. This biondo is very easy and tasty. Honestly, you will like it. Kids love it so much. So this is parsley. I just add small parsley. Here in Italy, I don't know if you stay in Italy. I think this is Italian best food. Even in the hospital, after your operation and everything, this is what they will give to you with a lot of water inside. When I mean water, plenty of water. My daughter said yes. So our blender is almost ready. So now I'm making my own because I want to add pepper to my own. Bless you. So I'm adding that is how I post this video. I add a cabbage to my own, this purple and the normal cabbage. I was having it at home, so just decided to add it to it, and fresh pepper. This pepper was hot, so I later removed the pepper though. So I'm adding olive oil, just enough, and carrot for garnishing. Now it's time for me to add my cooked pasta. Like I said, you have to cook the pasta separate and keep, okay? Because once you cook the pasta together with the water, it will soak up. So this is the best way you can enjoy it. I'm removing the pepper because some the pepper hot. Like salt, I'm adding salt to taste. So it's ready too. Perfect for this cool. You know, say when the stay they very cool. You need this beyond the pasta, okay? Hope you enjoy this video. See you on my next video. Bye.